Hello everyone, welcome back to ramscad YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to make a drawing sheet format in SolidWorks. So let's start making the format. I'll go to drawing, select OK. Now I'll choose A4 landscape. Browse, go down. You'll see A4 landscape format which was already saved in the SolidWorks. Select open. Now we'll make some changes in this format according to our need. So to edit the format, this pre-saved format, right click, go to edit sheet format. Now we can make changes here. Okay, so first we'll select this looks good, do not scale drawing, revision number will be here. I'll not make like very big format, just need some points only. So I'll delete what I don't want. I don't want all these except this one. Okay, so I'll put it here, and I don't want this drawing number. I'll delete this drawing number. Scale is okay. I want this material. I'll put it here and this one here. Weight is also okay. I'll keep this also. So if I want this also, but here I'll draw a line here. Okay, I just draw a line manually here. Okay, I'll put this one here. Make some changes in the size. I'll keep it 2.5 mm. Enter. I don't want anything else from here, so I'll trim all the lines. And delete this one. I actually want my logo also here. Okay, so I'll go to tools, insert picture, go to the location where I have saved my logo. Now the description, it's too big. I'll make it 3 mm. One partition line here. And I'll put tolerance here. This actually don't look good. I'll keep this in the same line. Now the format look good. I'll exit the editing. Now see how it looks. So we got do not scale the drawing, revision, our brand and with logo, tolerance, title, material, weight, sheet scale and sheet number with sheet size. I will change the size of this weight font. This is 1.5. I'll do it 1.5. Now this format look good. Now I'll save this format. So to save this format, you won't get the option from here, okay? You'll have to go to files. Now here you'll see save sheet format, okay? Click here. You will be redirected to the exact location where you need to save the file. I'll rename it with ramscad and save. Now the format is saved. I can close this. Don't save. Go to new file, drawing. I'll browse, date modified. We got the file we saved here, ramscad. I'll open it and bam, you are here. The format you saved. Now you can put any of the drawing here and detail on this format. Alright, thank you for watching the full video. Stay tuned.